कि खूब का बातें सी टीवी लवन राशपी तक Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hakini ke number harum. Uba Alan Tri Dekharu bade Vice President Jingeh United Democratic Party bakan thoh log Eksamin badang shudap jangka Cuet yak bal penlong dengan National Testing Agency ulong baka sarkar jilla kedeben penbor deki bor bade kmi bakan umja syukum balaja. Habakran cikla pathai ku bor ba Alan ulong ba ke Eksamin ke badang shudap thoh jangka Cuet ke penlong haskul ba nehu kala bo Jingeh pa hi Khynnah namar bagi Eksamin kadang kur hadu kena shiteng men.
I see our current DGP has said, we are also hopeful for better law and order situations in the coming days with the taking over of charge by our own Rashisha Noram. And where CUET is concerned, to the best of my knowledge, it is conducted by the National Testing Agency, which again is appointed by the central government. And so the minimal role the state government would have is in the advisory capacity and to the university authorities to treat this matter professionally. If things are going to go this way in its very first attempt, then it does not augur well for the youths of our state in the future who want to pursue further studies. I mean, such a major change, and the National Testing Agency, along with the university authorities, did not prepare well. There were so many issues found wanting to be addressed, to the tune that I was told that through your media fraternity that the exam ended at 9:30 p.m. I mean, that calls for serious action on the part of the right authority who oversees CUET. And I impress upon the government to give the necessary pressure to the right authority to ensure that nothing of this recurs in the future. Well, I am not in a position to rightfully or wrongfully make an answer on that question. I think from the statements made by our Honorable Chief Minister and as well as the Education Minister, I think things are being looked into, and let's hope and pray that certain leniencies are given to those affected students so that they do not miss a step towards the future.